Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem many Excel users face when creating line charts to visualize population data over time. The problem arises when the x-axis is labeled with individual dates instead of the desired month and year format, making the chart look cluttered and hard to read. To solve this problem, we have a simple yet effective solution. First, insert a line chart for your data, and then right-click on the x-axis to access the Format Axis menu. Within the Format Axis sidebar, click on the Axis Options icon and set the minimum bound to the start of the month and the major unit to 1 month. Lastly, customize the date format to MMYY under the Numbers submenu. Voila! Your line chart will now display month names and years on the x-axis, making it much cleaner and easier to interpret. In summary, by following these steps, you can transform your Excel line chart from a jumble of specific dates to a clear and concise representation of population data over time. And there you have it, a quick and easy fix for a common Excel charting dilemma. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite Excel charting quirks.